Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for an outdoor RGB, which means you can change the colors, LED ground light that can be wall mounted, mounted on a flat surface, or stuck in the grass, this video is for you. So what we have here is the fixture. It's like a aluminum type housing, very well constructed. You can screw on this stake, which would go in, let's just say, dirt or whatever. You also have a base like this that can be mounted, let's just say, and screwed into wood. And it does come with anchors, so if you did want to screw it into wood, you have that option. It also comes with a radio frequency remote, so you don't have to be facing it. You can just click it on. Doesn't really matter where you are, which is a nice plus. It has 6 individual LEDs in there, and then it has sort of a reflector feature to kind of, get it illuminated. It has a glass face right here. So it's just all in all very well constructed. The extension cord on this is about 5 feet long. It's a 3-plug cord. So when I first noticed that, it told me because it has the neutral plug, I was like, okay, this is a little bit more on the legit side as far as power output, light output and all that. So that was just something that definitely was impressive when I saw that. It is waterproof. It's meant for outdoor use. The remote looks like this, comes with its own battery already installed. It has a on feature, off feature, and then it has some options to dim it down, or you can make it brighter. It can change from pretty much any color of the rainbow for the most part. It has a whole bunch of pre-options already loaded as far as colors. It has some features where it could be done in a flashing, randomized effect. Then there is a effect like this. It's called strobe, but that's just what it's called. Also has a slow fade effect. And so in this example, it's fading from one color to the next. And then it also has more of a smoother, faster, I would say, similar to fade effect, but a little bit faster. So this kind of gives an example of how bright the light would be, kind of illuminating an area that would normally be pitch black. So definitely a good throw of light. The example here, that's roughly 30 feet away, and it's illuminating very, very nicely. From a Halloween effect, the green light works fantastic in this example. And to kind of show what it would look like, this is without the light, and that is with the light. Very, very cool. And if I wanted to do sort of a, rotation effect, actually that looks even better, I think. I think maybe we'll keep that. Oh yeah. Very, very cool. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, tell us what you think. Give us an honest review about not only how bright it is, how easy it is to use, and does it do what we know it can do. Hopefully that came across. We'll talk to you soon. The air feature is primarily, it's almost like it's squishing. It's squishing the feet depending on the pressure needed. Pressure, 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 pressure. I mean, it really grabs your feet all the way around, all the way back into the heels, all the way down to the toes. And then it holds that pressure. And then it will automatically release the pressure and cycle that over again. And the pressure is so good that even when you pick it up, I mean, it is, your feet are in there. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, Tell us what you think. Give an honest review. Hopefully that came across in this video, and we'll talk to you soon.